Hey everybody, welcome. So we're trying YouTube Shorts today. A lot of you have reached out and let me know that this is a more digestible format of the video vlog, I've been told. So just want to let you know what I've been up to today. So been running around town. Wife wanted 5 snails. Only located 4. Um, we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, we're gonna go over how to introduce your new snails to your guppy fish tank, your wife's guppy fish tank. She's on a guppy kick, and I fully support it. All right, step number 1: you got your bag of snails. Just stick them right in the tank. I did this off camera. I took the rubber band off of the bag. It's a little tricky. I got a little frustrated, but anyway. So got the bag in the tank. Just dump those guys right out. I told the woman at the store to pick ones that looked like they were still alive. I can't tell. I'm not a snail expert by any means. All right, it's been about 8 hours. I don't think this is going to work out for us. Never mind. Looks good. They are crawling around like snails. Escargot, as the French would say. I'm not going to eat them, though. Don't worry. LOL. Yeah, looking good. All right. I hope this works out. Like and subscribe. Hit the like bell, smash it. Yeah, YouTube Shorts. First foray.